Was it an accident? I think not. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm Xavier. Today we're gonna be watching A Christmas Story. It's a 1983 film about this guy Ralphie and about like this BB gun thing and about some tongue being stuck on a pole and also her name is Santa or something like that. No. That's the only reference I have for this film. I know it's like almost 40 years old. No, it's over 40 years. Sorry, my map. Yeah. Wow. That's wild. You know, because time messes up and all that. But yeah. Right. Okay. So that's that. I spent like a good half an hour watching the wrong movie. I was watching A Christmas Story Christmas. It said A Christmas Story Christmas in the title. But I thought it was like it's an HBO. It said HBO Max on it. So I was confused. And it was like this and this. The whole thing. Wrong film. Watching the right one. Let's get into it.
Ah, there it is. My house. At good old Cleveland Street. How could I ever forget it? But there I am. With that dumb round face and that stupid stocking cap.
Alright, kid. No need to do all that. Come on.
The Red Ryder 200-shot range model air rifle. For weeks, I had been scheming to get my mitts on one of these fierce blue steel beauties. My fevered brain seethed with the effort of trying to come up with the infinitely subtle devices.
Oh, come on.
My mother, grabbing for her copy of Look magazine, would find herself cleverly trapped into reading a Red Ryder sales pitch.
Oh, come on.
Of the Lone Ranger's nephew's horse.
Victor. His name is Victor.
How the hell did you know that?
Everybody knows that.
What? Everybody knows that? Okay.
What kind is it this time?
Name the great characters in American literature.
It had to be firm, but subtle.
Flex says he saw some grizzly bears near Pulaski's candy store.
They looked at me as if I had lobsters crawling out of my ears.
I'll bet you never guess what I got you for Christmas.
A new furnace.
That's a good one, Dad.
My old man was one of the most feared furnace fighters in northern Indiana. Round one was over. Parents won. Kids, zip. Horrified, I heard myself blurt it out.
I want an official Red Ryder Carbine Action 200 range ball air rifle.
Ooh.
No. Shoot your eye out.
Oh no, it was the classic mother BB gun block.
Damn shame, isn't it?
That I immediately began to rebuild the dike.
Good luck, man.
Randy, will you eat? There are starving people in China.
Oh yeah, I was right. He did put he did put milk in his bread. What?
Where only you and you alone stand between.
I thought I saw his glass knocked over. I was right.
Say, Miss Ralphie, I just know those bad guys would be coming for us in the end. Oh.
As long as I got old blue.
No! It's all true! Oh, no! Freeze it, boys! The jig is on!
Here's another one. Oh, he's a dead-eye 80.
You win this time, but we'll be back!
till you come back. You'll be pushing up daisies.
Okay. Conveniently huddled together. What's that sound?
It's a clinker!
What?
Skates! Broad dumb fretting house stickled piper!
Alright. He's really against that furnace, I'll tell you that.
My kid brother looked like a tick about to pop.
What? What is it?
He can't speak!
Oh.
He has to pee, doesn't he?
What is it?
I can't put my arms down.
Put your arms down when you get to school.
It'll freeze right to the pole, just like I told you. Ah, baloney. What would your old man know about anything? Come on, guys, wait up! Get up! Okay, fine, let's go. Come on, you're all right.
Oh man. Way too much, way too much.
Good morning, class. Page 32. As you'll remember, Silas Marner.
She's no fun. Come on, let him live. Let him live. No, she's very right though. You can't be doing that in school. No.
Oh, yeah? Yeah! Well, I double dog dare ya!
Now it was serious.
I triple dog dare ya!
Schwartz created a slight breach of etiquette by skipping the triple dare and going right for the throat.
He did.
This is next.
Oh
What are you gonna do? I don't know, the bell rang.
Where's Flick?
Flick? Flick who?
He was at recess, wasn't he?
Come on, guys, tell it. I hate to see it.
Holy cow, it's a fire department.
No.
Wow, it's the cops.
The poor kid. They're still having him in class?
But he has refused to say who. But those who did it know their blame.
Yeah. She's looking at you, brother.
Guilt you feel is far worse than any punishment you might receive.
We knew darn well it was always better not to get caught. That she would sympathize with my plight and everything would work out. Somehow.
It won't. It won't. Come on.
I didn't have to think. It just caught me off guard. You sure weren't balling. I never balled.
Yes, you did.
Farkas staring out at us with his yellow, so help me God, yellow eyes.
Those eyes aren't yellow. Come on.
Rotten, his lips curled over his green teeth. Randy lay there like a slug. It was his only defense.
Look at Randy.
Man.
What I want for Christmas is a Red Ryder BB gun with a compass and a stock and this thing which tells time. Wow, that's great.
Oh, rarely had the words poured from my penny pencil with such feverish fluidity.
I made you prize, I made you prize. I won. Tonight is coming tonight. Serves you right, you smelly buggers. Or it could be a bowling alley.
Wow.
Meatloaf, double beat loaf. I hate meatloaf.
All right, I'll get that kid to eat. Where's my screwdriver and my plumber's helper? I'll open up his mouth and I'll shove it in.
Randy.
My mother was more subtle.
Be a good boy. Show Mommy how the piggies eat.
Okay. So you getting it? I'm getting it. I don't get it.
Yeah, I'm like you, Ralphie. Disgusting. Yeah.
Straight ahead, that's right.
What did they give him?
Fragile. It must be Italian.
This is fragile.
There we go.
Fragile.
Harry. Oh, there could be anything in there.
Show us what's in there.
Would you look at that?
What?
Yeah, statue.
Ralphie.
My mother was trying to insinuate herself between us and the statue.
A lamp.
It was indeed a lamp.
That's great. What a great lamp.
No.
Uh-huh.
Oh!
It's gone. Turn off all the lights. I want to see what it looks like from the street.
I'll go get the dining.
Couldn't we talk this over?
Yeah, you need to talk it over.
Damn, hell, you say you want it? Yeah. Mind power, sweet, mind.
Your neighborhood was turned on.
Oh.
Red Ryder BB gun. Strange tells time. Poetry. Yeah, poetry.
Beautiful. So beautiful. Get to your seat, Ralphie.
Ralph.
Sit down.
Take your seat.
Yeah, I was waiting for Randy.
This here tree is built to last. Ain't no needles coming off this here tree.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh!
4 minutes. Time me. There we go. And
All the bolts silhouetted against the lights of the traffic, and then they were gone.
Fudge.
Only I didn't say but. I said the word. The big one. The queen mother of dirty words.
8 minutes.
you know what your son just said.
No. What?
Ralphie!
Over the years, I got to be quite a connoisseur of soap.
Where did you hear that word?
Now, I had heard that word at least 10 times a day from my old man, and I blurted out the first name that came to mind.
Schwartz.
Now he's gotten Schwartz into trouble. Come on, Ralphie.
Well, Mrs. Schwartz? No. He heard it from your son.
No. Wait.
Hang up.
I'm gonna come in there, and if there are any lights on, don't you give me that look. You're gonna get it.
There's never been a kid who didn't believe, vaguely but insistently, that he would be stricken blind before he reached 21, and then they'd be sorry.
Please?
It was
The soap.
soap poisoning.
Whoa. A little bit extra there.
Yes, truly, a little bribe never hurts.
Well, thank you very much, Ralph.
Whoa, okay.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, go to your seat now.
Happy New Year.
Go to your seat now.
You can take your seat now, Ralph.
All right.
You left the mailbox open.
Now it's time for Annie's secret message for you members of the Secret Circle.
Pierre was in great voice tonight. I could tell that tonight's message was really important.
I'm sure it is.
Aha, B. I went to the next. E. Be sure to. Be sure to what? What was little orphan Annie trying to say? Be sure to what?
Randy has got to go. Will you please come out?
All right, Ma. I'll be right out.
What was it? The fate of the planet may hang in the balance.
It's a commercial for some bitter to drink milk or something like that.
Be sure to drink your Ovaltine. Ovaltine?
Yeah.
Funny commercial?
Yeah.
Son of a bitch.
What a transition. I like that. I don't know why it just... Is there a little weirdness to it?
What happened next was a family controversy for years.
Playmonger, snack yourself, caca! What broke?
I don't know what happened. I was watering my plant and...
Was it an accident? I think not.
You were always jealous of this lamp.
Jealous of a plastic lamp?
Jealous. Jealous because I won.
That is the ugliest lamp I have ever seen in my entire life!
Now it was out.
Get the glue.
But I thought that I heard the sound of taps being played. Gently.
Man. The poor lamp.
I was disappointed in the margins.
Oh, this is it.
No A.
C plus. Oh no, it can't be. Oh no.
You'll shoot Uriah! You'll shoot Uriah!
Was there no end to this conspiracy of irrational prejudice?
Maybe like another one!
What's he gonna do?
What, are you gonna cry now? Come on, cry, baby, cry for me. Come on.
He's gonna fight him?
Hey!
Something had happened. A fuse blew.
Hey! Hey, kid! I'm killing my dad!
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Ralphie, did you hear what he said? Holy smokes!
I became conscious that a steady torrent of obscenities and swearing of all kinds was pouring out of me as I screamed.
Ralphie! Ralphie! Ralphie!
Come on. Go.
If you get mad, even if you get offended, so what you gonna do? Because I guarantee you can't beat me up.
Lie down in your room for a while. Ralphie, just settle down.
This is some good parenting, I'll tell you that. You can find out what it was about later. Just make him cool off, make him chill a little bit, make him settle
Now
down.
go lie down.
Yeah, you can deal with it later. He's not in the right mind space for whatever you want to tell him or get from him or whatever right now. You see me? Yeah.
Would you like some milk? You would?
Yeah, leave it on the table. Make him come out for it.
Here you go.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Yeah, I'm with you, old man Parker. You don't want to know.
What happened today? Where's your glasses?
Remember, you left these on the radio again. Now try not to do that anymore. You know how boys are. I gave them a talking to. I see that the Bears are playing Green Bay on Sunday.
I slowly began to realize I was not about to be destroyed.
Chicago Bears. Terror of the Midwest.
And on, things were different between me and my mother. Of course, Santa, the big man, the head honcho, the connection.
Good plan, man. Good man. Good plan. Good plan. Good plan.
Ralphie, will you please calm down?
Mom!
Hush!
Shut up, Ralphie!
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, ho! What boy Billy? And what do you want?
Yeah, come on. You're gonna leave Ralphie? I mean, Randy, my bad.
The line ends here. It begins there.
Merry Christmas, ho, ho! Come up, boys and girls, hurry up!
Wow.
I like Santa.
Yeah.
Come on!
Tasty little toy. Don't bother me. I'm thinking.
I respect it. I respect it.
I like the Wizard of Oz. Yeah.
Shut up, kid. Turn around. Weird?
Ho, ho, ho!
Yeah, throw him off.
Get moving, kid.
Come on up! Ho, ho, ho!
Nice camera work. I love that.
What do you want for Christmas, little boy?
My mind had gone blank. Frantically, I tried to remember what it was I wanted.
Hate to see it.
Without conscious will, my voice squeaked out,
Football. Okay, get him out of here.
"Stupid! Wake up! No!"
Oh, oh, I know this scene. Not this scene, but I've seen this picture.
You'll shoot your eye out, kid. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
Not him. Not he actually kicked the kid off.
Hey, see, I told you it was green.
Oh, That was blue, by the way. It was blue.
And now that star is crooked.
That star is perfectly straight.
Oh, it's all right.
Sir, I impulsively jumped to help him.
Hey, perfect.
No, it was better. Never mind. Never mind. Not worth it.
Okay, let's get him.
Wild. Kids are wild, man. I'll tell you that. You know, that kind of looks pretty. Not gonna lie. Let's have a look at Buzz. Yeah.
Santa Claus had come.
Fire truck! Oh boy, that's mine!
Mine.
Look at that waste of wrapping paper, man.
I don't want to.
Ralphie, show everybody what Aunt Clara gave you. Always gives you the nicest things, Ralph.
That is not nice.
Ralph, go upstairs and try it on.
I don't want to.
Go upstairs right now and...
That is cruel and unusual punishment. Come on.
Here. Me to you.
Thanks a lot.
Immediately, my feet began to sweat as those two fluffy little bunnies with the blue button eyes.
Isn't that cute? That is the most precious thing I've ever seen in my life.
No.
He looks like a deranged Easter bunny.
Does not.
He does.
Yeah.
Pink nightmare. Are you happy wearing that?
No, he's not.
Do you want to take it off? Tell the kid to take it off. You go clean the papers up.
Not me.
Oh, no?
No.
Randy did it last year.
Well, we can do it again.
You want to sip?
No, you don't.
Damn!
Yeah, did you get everything you wanted?
Almost.
Almost, huh? Well, that's life.
Hey. Yep.
Is that over there behind the desk?
Where?
Oh, behind the desk, against the wall over there.
It's the BB gun.
Oh, it was beautiful. I could hardly wait to try it out.
Do you not load it? Yeah.
But outside, oh, I still say those things are dangerous.
I had one when I was 8 years old.
What if he hurts himself? Ralphie, your coat!
Okay, Black Bart. Now you get yours.
Oh my God, I shot my eye out.
You'll shoot your eye out, kid.
Ralphie, you be careful out there. Don't shoot your eye out.
She hadn't seen. She didn't know.
Stop!
Is he gonna step on the glasses?
Oh, no.
Oh, that sucks, kid.
Oh, what happened? What is it? Let me see that.
There was this icicle, and it fell off the
Come on
garage,
inside, out of
and
the coat.
it hit me.
Oh, she's taking it.
Wear the old ones with the crack in them until we get you some new ones. Okay.
The turkey?
Oh, it's full of turkey!
No turkey. No turkey sandwiches. No turkey salad. No turkey gravy. Turkey hash. Turkey a la king. Or gallons of turkey soup.
We are going out to eat.
Chinese. Gotta do what you gotta do.
But you see,
What? Could you cut off the head?
That's the Christmas when we were introduced to Chinese turkey. All was right with the world.
Oh man.
Gradually, I drifted off to sleep, pranging ducks on the wing and getting off spectacular hip shots.
Alright, so that was A Christmas Story. I see why it would have been a classic film that people would have enjoyed and all that. Didn't do it for me like that, you know? But I appreciate, because it's kind of, maybe I'm too old to have enjoyed, it like it should be enjoyed. But I did like it. But would I be like going out of my way to watch it again or anything like that? No. But it hit. It had good vibes. I got the humor was there and there. It was a little thing going for it. So I can't do knock it. I'll rate like a 7 out of 10, you know. Accounting for everything now. Cause like some of the humor was dated. Like the Chinese workers at the restaurant. And there was some other stuff too. I don't remember what it was. I think there was that one other thing. I don't remember what it was, but it kind of didn't hit for me. That it's something minor, so I didn't really think about it. But yeah, so story is basically Ralphie is getting bullied and everything. Going to school, he wants a BB gun. Tries to subtly hint to his mom. Doesn't work. He just straight up tells her, and she says, "You're gonna shoot your eye out," and she was almost right. Did this good Christmas theme thing. You got a C plus, didn't get an A. He stuck his tongue to the pole. Had to call the fire department and the police. Ralphie got in a fight with Ruckus or whoever him name. That Monday, the boy there, and he had to put soap in his mouth because he was cursing and he was just taking after his father. So you know who's at fault there. Yeah, and unfortunately he got Schwartz into trouble because of that. Sorry, man. But yeah, so nice little fun story. And yeah, you got what you wanted at Christmas. He was scared of Santa. And I can't believe Santa kicking down the sleigh. Not the sleigh, the slide. And I saw the scene where he was holding on to the slide. Okay, I remember that picture. I remember like a few seconds of that, but I didn't remember wholly. And so, yeah, I could probably see in like before this like 1 minute total of this entire movie. So yeah, so a lot of it was new to me. It still holds up. I said it was dated, but it was only like parts were dated, like, but I said 70% of it, 70-80%, it can go on in this modern time, you know. I'm not too yeah, maybe in editing I will have a different opinion to this one, but as it is right now, nice little fun story. It probably hit better if it was like preteen, teenager, something like that. It might hit better for me. Maybe it's because I'm not American, it might not hit like that, but overall, what is this movie trying to tell us? Is there a theme? That you shoot your eye out if you get a BB gun because it's dangerous. That's the theme. Anything else? Bullies are awful and they're just like the rest of us. That sometimes you just gotta eat out and roll with punches. Turkey is done. Shut your eye out. But Christmas goes on. And yeah, Ralphie has an overactive imagination. Take a seat, man. But yeah, so fun little time. Those are my thoughts. Don't think I have much else to say. If there is anything else, I'll mention it, but unlikely. Maybe you'll see. Who's to know? Goodbye.